Oh, yum, yum. Some porky red steak, not porky. You stay there. Some porky ribs. Got some beef ribs, beef ribbies. Oh, yum. They're so yummy and delicious. But you know, cooking them for a while. Oh, it's a bit hot. Bit burnies. So use this tool. See this tool. Get some air to those coals. Oh, better come around, had a couple of beers so far. Cooking on my professional char griller, grills and smokers. But, don't have the smoker box yet. Don't have it, but I got the vents open. I just opened up just before, kept the heat in. So open it right now. It was cooking at last couple hours at 300 degrees. Now it's dropped down because I've been open it, check it every half an hour, 45 minutes. But I'm going to open it now. There's the red hot coals. There's the beef ribs. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at them. Meat's pulled back on the bone. Got a bit of sauce on there. I'll tap that out. Give that a bit of a stir. Not bad barbecue. Don't mind it. Not bad overall. There it is there. Got the sauce I'll put on them. Got the, it's a smoker as well. I just got to get the smoke box, but you know, I'm not using the smoke box. Just using that area, put some wood chips on top. Get the warm itself there. I cooked some steak up there, couple little pieces of steak. 45 minutes, turned out nice and juicy. Which were near about 149 degrees on this. Should have done it at 225 degrees. No, 225 Fahrenheit, but at 107 degrees Celsius. 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 149 degrees Celsius. But it's not a bad barbecue. The only thing is, it's stupid thing is powder coated. So if you put coals in it, that area there, that plate peels away. That powder coating peels away. So I've got to get some heat resistance paint and put it on there. Close that a bit. Get a bit of that. Beautiful. I'll put I'll cook a ribeye on there now. Open up a frozen packet of ribeye, put it on there. Low and slow. Mwah. Also got this one. It's not as though I'm gonna use it. I got a digital one inside that I'm gonna use it for pork, beef, chicken and turkey. So yeah, I'm gonna close this vent. Keep the heat in. It's quite warm in there actually. So I'm gonna close it, keep the heat in. There's no heat. I'm gonna put my hand over there. Pretty good, eh? Put my hand over there. Not hot. Open it. I'm gonna move it. It's warm. But I keep it at nice warm heat. Keep it there. Bit there. Couple inches open. Meals open. So I reckon it does a pretty good job, I reckon, for myself. Now I've got the hose there just in case. There's the coal chimney. You start the coals in. But I was using lump coals to start them so probably about 15 more minutes I'll snack into these ribs once the tips are cooked and go from there. Beautiful. Mwah. Catch a lot of YouTubers. Bye.